The topic of today's sermon is stop saying, I wasted my time. People should stop saying that they purify their hearts and wash their hands in innocence for nothing. Do not say, I keep my heart pure for no good reason. The believers must stop complaining to God by saying, what good did He do to me to keep my thoughts pure and refuse to do wrong? This statement, I have received no reward for keeping my life pure and washing my hands of any blame, must not come out of any obedient person's mouth or any Christian's mouth. Even if you are discontent with your condition, you must never utter these words. I have been wasting my time walking blamelessly before God. This is according to the book of Psalm, chapter 73, verse 13. And I will read, surely I have cleansed my heart in vain and washed my hands in innocence. Hence, you must not say that you keep your heart pure for nothing or keep yourself innocent for no reason, because your labor will not be in vain. Therefore, this comment, why take the trouble to be pure, must be forbidden in your speeches. May the Lord bless His words.